Good morning. I am Manoj Kumar Jha, Assistant Professor of English, Nandan Sanskrit College, Isarpur, Madhubani. It's a constituent unit of Commerce Course in Sanskrit University, Darbhanga. Today we are going to discuss some more patterns with the full infinitive. Actually, the topic has been in discussion for several days. It's important for degree students. We can use the to infinitive after certain verbs and adjectives. For example, I need to answer the emails. Well, try to notice need to answer. She is reluctant to take part. Well, try to notice reluctant to part. Reluctant to take part. We can also use a to infinitive after related nouns. As well as I need to answer. Well, try to notice I need to answer. We can say the need to answer. For example, there is no need to answer all of them. I understand her reluctance to take part. Nouns that we can use in this pattern include ability, anxiety, attempt, choice, decision, demand, desire, determination, failure, intention, offer, plan, promise, proposal, refuse, request, threat, willingness, wish. Other nouns which can take a to infinitive include chance, effort, idea, opportunity, power, race, reason, time, way. For example, in sentence, you will have a chance to ask questions. Well, try to notice chance to ask. We can use a question word or phrase before a to infinitive. For example, I just don't know what to say. Well, try to notice what to say. No one told me where to meet Mr. Das. Well, try to notice where to meet. I wasn't sure how much to tip the waiter. Well, try to notice how much to tip. The pattern expresses an indirect question about what the best action is. Again, for example, I don't know what to say means that I don't know what I should say. We can also use whether plus to infinitive or full infinitive. Well, try to notice. We can also use whether plus to infinitive or full infinitive. For example, I was wondering whether to ring you. Rahul can't decide whether to go or not means he can't decide whether he should go. After what, which, whose, how many, and how much, we can use a noun. For example, I don't know what size to buy. Well, try to notice what size to buy, the use of size after what. The driver wasn't sure which way to go. Well, try to notice which way, the use of way after which. When we talk about teaching and learning, we can use learn how to or learn to show someone how to and teach someone how to. For example, students learn how to plan their work. The instructor showed us how to give the kiss of life. In this way, today we have become acquainted some more patterns most commonly used in spoken English with infinitive. That's all for now. Thank you.